Welcome to my channel. Step ahead with a new video. Today I'll show you a naturally and super duper effective way to lighten your dark lips and to get naturally soft pink lips within a few days. So this is my personal favorite home remedy. I use it on a regular basis to keep my lips soft and pink, and the best thing is that even if the content of the lip balm goes into your mouth, it won't harm me, unlike those commercial lip balms, and gets no waxy or sticky feel. So I'm super excited to share the recipe with you all, guys. So first, take a heat-proof bowl and add 1 big tablespoon of sherbet. There, always prepared in small quantities, and also depending on the size of my container, the concentration of natural vitamins and fatty acids and unrefined shea butter makes it incredibly nourishing and moisturizing. So the next thing that I'll be adding is honey. So just a tiny amount, approximately around 2 drops and not more than that. Otherwise it will make a sticky lip balm that you don't want. Honey is a natural humectant. It keeps the lips hydrated and healthy. It also helps lighten the skin tone of your lips. Then add the content of 1 vitamin E capsule, or you can add half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin is a great antioxidant and anti-aging ingredient. It prevents shriners and formation of fine lines. Then add 1/4 tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Almond oil is very rich in vitamins A, B, D, and E, and it is also rich in unsaturated fatty acids. It protects your lips from UV radiation and makes your lips soft and smoother. Next thing is optional if you have use it. Otherwise you can skip that. It's rose hip oil, rich in vitamin C and vitamin E. This oil helps lighten the discoloration of the lips. It also protects them from sunburns. And the final thing you need is beetroot juice. So you need a small amount of beetroot. Grate it and extract the fresh juice. The coloring pigment melanin in beets acts as an antioxidant. It helps lighten the dark pigmentation or discoloration in your lips and protects the lips from sun damage, and it also gives a natural color to your lips. Now add around 1/2 tablespoon of beetroot juice. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to melt the shea butter. So you can use a double boiler, or you can microwave for 5 seconds. So stir really well. So once they are done, remove from heat and let it go. Now again stir well to get a creamy consistency. So it's done, and transfer the content into clean cantina. So you're gorgeous, delicious. The pump is ready. Music. To take a tiny amount and apply it onto clean lips. This extremely natural moisturizing lip balm hydrates and conditions lips, and it help restores the natural softness, and along with removing blackness and dead skin cell, it helps you achieve a naturally soft pink lips. I really love this homemade lip balm. It's my personal favorite, and I'm sure it will give you terrific results if you use it regularly. So friends, give to try and share your results with you. Thanks everyone. For more such amazing details and tricks, hit the subscribe button.